Some of my colleagues think I am anti-medicine and I am anti-supplement. But today, let me make some clarity. I am not anti-medicine, I am not anti-supplement. I'm just pro-basics. There is no single medicine, no single supplement that can compensate for that hour of sleep. They cannot compensate for your unhealthy diet. They cannot compensate for your physical inactivity. Look at countries like USA. It has a well-advanced system when it comes to disease management. Big pharmaceutical companies, best medicine, and people can actually afford. But on the other hand, it has one of the most unhealthy populations, with up to 40% of its population either overweight or obese, meaning that they also have a predisposition to other conditions that are associated with obesity and overweight. Compare them with other countries such as Japan that is investing in preventive measures. You will realize that USA actually they have a long lifespan, but that doesn't guarantee a healthy lifespan, because by the time someone clocks like 50 years of age, they are already having several disease conditions. Therefore, for me, I think it's not about having a lifespan, but we also need to make sure that we cater for the healthy span.